Hello everybody and welcome to Caldera Creative Creates. This is a Wreath channel. Today we got a beauty going on. Spring Wreath. We are working with a grapevine wreath. And if you all like and enjoy my videos, consider pressing that subscribe button and you will be notified on my upcoming video, okay? We are working with some geraniums, some florals. We got these beautiful eucalyptics. We also got some lavender. We got this beautiful burlap ribbon and this other one with the beautiful pearls. We also got a piece of pipe cleaner, which we are going to use for this. We got our glue gun. Be extra careful with that. We got our scissors, and let's get this rolling. Okay, first things first. Good day, good evening, and good afternoon. Let's get these eucalyptics on. Let's get one right there. Let's get this. Okay, it's going to be kind of sideways, so we're just going to work like this. Let's see what side we can work on. Right here. Okay, got this going right here. Let's get this bold floral in here. This is going to be easy to make. Couple of florals and you'll just get a beauty going on. Look at that. Maybe I should put this one up here, huh? Let's kind of put it down like that, maybe. Let's see. Play around with your florals and see what looks good, what does not look good. Yes, I think I'll get it like that. This going right here. Oh, how lovely. Let's get this back over here. Look at that, everybody. You know, work with your florals and don't forget to step back and visualize. I think we got this going right here. Going good. Move that up a little bit. Let's get some more of these eucalyptics going. How is that looking, everybody? I'm going to I'm looking for some more ribbons because I got some projects, but I am going to work with the ribbons. So I think that's going to be like this week around Wednesday, Thursday. I'm got to get a hold of some nice, beautiful spring ribbons so we can get some other interesting beauties going out for you. My fans out there in 2B land, yes, indeed. Let's get these beautiful creations out. We can have some beauty on our spring wall. And how is that looking, everybody? Beautiful. And now let's just get this. Let's put some burlap on here. Let's tie it right here. Get it right here. Just balance your items out and just work. Look at it. Come out with a beauty. Turn this around and just see where we can get this. Oh, I think we'll just grab it. This grapevine is so good to work with too, you know. Just pop them in there. You could just put, if you want it really to stick, use your glue gun to glue your florals in. Uh-oh. What's going on in there? Okay, and then what we're going to do, how is that looking, everybody? Woo! Okay, then we're going to get this beauty right here. We're going to pop this up right here. Take it over this way, and we are just going to get our, handy dandy glue gun. Now be careful now. Mama, be careful. Oh. Okay, we're just going to get this right here. Ooh, this one's hot. Okay. And we're going to just get this going right here. Okay, we got that. Ooh, I think I need mine. I can't find it. Should bring that out. Okay, we got that right there. And there it is, everybody. Got our little part so we can hang it up. And with that said, hang on, Papa, I'm almost done. With that said, Takis, okay, get your Takis. And if that said, everybody, I hope you enjoyed my video. Once again, thanks for coming to my channel and experiment with your flowers and enjoy making your wreath, and you will come out with a beauty. Once again, until the next video, I'm trying to get a hold of some ribbons so we can get the ribbons on our wreath and make some more beautiful spring wreath. With that said, let's get that smile on and have a beautiful, great day. Oh, look at just a mixture of the beautiful colors with the burlap. Thank you. Like, share.